Hello. Today we have Mr. Diachi. He is a celebrity himself and a research scholar, a person who has extremely rich knowledge about the geopolitics. And in my eyes, he is a dangerous person. Because, congratulations, Adibhai, because of his recent revelation, there is some turbulent situation in the Biden administration, which has compelled it in taking some possible stern actions against Mohammed Yunus, which has been a very key ally of Biden and others of the American team. Adibhai, namaskar.
नमस्कार सर, हाउ आर यू?
थैंक यू. सो पहले कहिए कि आप तो बहुत खतरनाक एक इंसान हैं एंड मेरे तो अभी डर लगता है आपसे बात करने कि आपने क्या कर दी कि आपने तो जब यूनुस ओथ लिया उसी वक्त आपने कहा कि ज्यादा दिन रहेगा नहीं एंड देन यू इंडिकेटेड दैट Trump will win when the world was saying that Kamala Harris will win, and finally you said that there might be some things, some surprises. So is it a surprise you were talking about? Anyway, I owe you a bottle of champagne, of course.
थैंक यू सो मच. नहीं सर, ऐसा नहीं है. बेसिकली ये जो डीप स्टेट के एजेंट्स आते हैं, they are not long lasting agents, and they are very shallow people. They don't have the depth to actually carry things forward. इनके पास इतना वो दम नहीं होता है कि अपने आप को इतना आगे कर सकें या अपने आप को प्रोजेक्ट कर सकें ढंग से. They don't have the depth, they don't have the gumption, they don't have the knowledge even to do stuff. So that's something that was very evident right at the day one. क्योंकि जिस तरह से इन्होंने अपने ओपनिंग में चीजें बोली थी कि मैं ये करूंगा, मैं वो करूंगा, I will do this in 10 days, do this in 15 days. Well, it's been more than 120, 130 days now and I have not seen a single reform. एक white paper सा submit करा है about the economics, but I have not seen that being implemented at all. I mean, I don't have anything against. मेरा कोई ऐसा कोई पर्सनल जानी दुश्मनी नहीं है बांग्लादेश के साथ कि मैं I want the country to fail or anything like that. But जहां तक कि बांग्लादेश में जो चीजें हो रही हैं आज, वो देख के थोड़ा बुरा लगता है. ऑब्वियसली हिंदूज आर बीइंग टारगेटेड फॉर नो राइम और रीजन. वहां पर हिंदूज तो छोड़िए, क्रिश्चियंस, Buddhists, everybody is being targeted. As a matter of fact,
even journalists, even people like me.
Even journalists are being targeted. As a matter of fact, initially तो हमने ये भी देखा था कि भाई किसी का रिलीजन भी नहीं पूछा था लोगों ने मारने से पहले. So जो मारम पिटाई हुई थी शुरू में, it was actually quite a shame for somebody who claims to be बोलते हैं कि क्या नाम है, वो अपने आप को बड़ा रिफॉर्मर बताते हैं. But and as a matter of fact, the lies were just a bit too much for anybody to digest. क्योंकि आपने जिस तरह से देखा कि भाई he tried to cover up all the Hindu killing by saying, oh नहीं ये तो political violence है. Little did he realize that he actually admitted to the fact that there is violence happening in Bangladesh. Then he said नहीं, all this violence is exaggerated when people called him out. तो ये जो डेप्थ नहीं होती सर जिनके अंदर, जितनी they don't have the depth, they don't have the knowledge, they can't last for that long. It's not a solution by putting this guy. This guy was brought about just to remove Sheikh Hasina और कुछ नहीं है. And not that I have a very big any love lost कि भैया मैं तो शेख हसीना का die hard fan हूँ या कुछ हूँ. मेरा ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. I mean, I want the country to sustain itself, अपने आप grow करे, अच्छा काम करे. There's nothing, we have nothing against Bangladesh. As a matter of fact, हमारे पास कुछ against होता तो we wouldn't have left Bangladesh in 1971 itself. तो just the sheer factor कि India did what it did and came out of Bangladesh कि भाई here is your country, you do what you need to with it. आप लोग चलाइए इसको, आपका देश है, आपने मांगा है, आपको मिल गया है. Now you do what you want to. So we don't have any such this thing, unlike what the propaganda is कि साहब oh नहीं India wants to take over and this and that. Well, India has no such plans. The biggest factor that I see in Mr. Yunus is the factor that he is sold to certain set of people, which is the radical element which is there in Bangladesh.
भाई एक चीज मैं आपकी नजर में लाना चाहता हूँ, आपसे इजाजत लेके. आज ही
जी
मुझे
जी जी।
पता चला कि यूनुस की जो फादर थे वो चटगांव में गोल्ड की दुकान थे, सोने की दुकान होती नहीं, वो ज्वेलरी नहीं, वो जो लोकल दुकान होता है जहाँ लोग पैसा गोल्ड रख के प्लेस करके पैसा लेते सूद पे, सूद के कारोबार करते नहीं, गोल्ड के दुकान से आपका गोल्ड का ऑर्नामेंट आप रख के वहां से पैसा ले सकते, तो जो वैस्कोर कहते हैं हम लोग. So his father was that kind of merchant, and Yunus was also sitting in that shop during his young age. And जब भी उसके बाप यहाँ जाते वो दुकान में जो वो कैश होता नहीं काट की सोने की दुकान पे वहां से चोरी करते पैसा, और वहां से वो उसने सीखा कि गरीबों को कैसे लूटा जाए, कि गरीब सूद के पैसा नहीं दे सके उसके गोल्ड को मेल्ट कर देते हैं, वो वहां से बहुत छोटी साल से उम्र से उसने सीखा. और यूनुस की जितने पैसा मिलता है ये माइक्रो क्रेडिट, आप भी जानते हैं कि इस मैक्सिमम इज 2% इंटरेस्ट, मोस्ट ऑफ द अमाउंट इज 0% इंटरेस्ट, बट ये यहाँ बांग्लादेश में 30 to 35% इंटरेस्ट में इन्वेस्ट करते हैं. सो ही इज ए सूद के कारोबारी. ही इज सोल्ड आउट सोल फ्रॉम हिज यंग एज, वेरी यंग एज. और एक चीज आपको मैं आज इन्फॉर्म करना चाहता हूँ विद योर काइंड परमिशन कि यूनुस कभी बांग्लादेश की लिबरेशन वॉर में पार्टिसिपेट नहीं किया. ही वाज इन यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स, एंड उसने ये जो रशियन वाइफ उसके गए, उसके जो पहली बेटी है मोनिका की माँ, और रशियन वाइफ जो है ये एक्चुअली यूनुस के एक पाकिस्तानी दोस्त की बीवी थे. पाकिस्तानी बीवी की दोस्त की बीवी को भगा के इसने शादी की, ले आए बांग्लादेश में. आने के बाद ये लड़की का पैदा हुआ और वो रशियन को वहां चटगांव अच्छा नहीं लगा, चले गए. एंड शी लेफ्ट चटगांव इन 1974. और जब ये 74 से 2006 तक यूनुस ने इनका खबर ही नहीं लिया. और
देखिए सर ये
जब
इनका
उसको नोबेल
इनका ना,
प्राइज मिला, जब उसको नोबेल
हाँ
प्राइज मिला तो लगता है उसको लगा कि नोबेल प्राइज मिल गई. अभी हमारा बेटी तो वो क्या किसी गाना करते हैं, आई डोंट रिमेम्बर द एग्जैक्ट. So she is a singer. So immediately she brought her from 1974 to 2000 से खबर ही नहीं लिया, और उसको ले आया और लोगों को दिखाया कि देखो मेरे बेटी इतना बड़ा सिंगर है. और वो दिखाना खत्म, अवार्ड लेना खत्म, फिर से बेटी तो कहाँ चले गई. और बेटी के तस्वीर वीडियो आपने देखे होंगे कि अभी दारू पी के ये न्यूयॉर्क की सड़क में पड़ रही रहते हैं. मनिका, आपने देखा है ये वीडियो? His daughter is a gay. Yeah. So
देखिए सर वही मैं बोल रहा हूँ, इनके अंदर इतना डेप्थ है ही नहीं कि ये लोग अपने आप को दे कैन स्टैंड एनीवेयर. इनके पास वो बेस ही नहीं है. अब आप देख लीजिए अपने आप ही इसने कितनी चीजें बोली. ओ, वी वांट गुड रिलेशंस विद इंडिया. ओके, फेयर इनफ, देन स्टॉप इंसाइटिंग इंडिया. भाई यू वांट गुड रिलेशंस विद द कंट्री, देन व्हाई आर यू डूइंग समथिंग दैट जो कंट्री को पसंद नहीं है. आप वही चीजें करोगे तो कंट्री गुस्सा नहीं होगा. उसके बाद बोलता है ओ वी डोंट वांट टू ट्रेड विद इंडिया. ओके, डोंट ट्रेड, दैट्स
no
फाइन.
problem, no problem.
आई मीन वी आर नॉट लूजिंग मच. आप करिए. हमारा तो यार आवर ट्रेड इज $1 trillion. आई मीन व्हाट इज बांग्लादेश ट्रेडिंग विद अस? 13 बिलियन. फेयर इनफ, नो प्रॉब्लम,
नो
डजंट
भाई,
रियली मैटर.
और भी
कॉपी
एक
फ्रॉम
बात है
पाकिस्तान.
अजी भाई, अगर हम भारत से खरीदेंगे नहीं रॉ मटेरियल्स, हमारे गारमेंट्स की रॉ मटेरियल्स आते हैं भारत मेनली.
सर गारमेंट का इंडस्ट्री आप देखिए. मैं आई मीन
इट्स
आई
डिपेंडेंट ऑन
डोंट.
इंडियन रॉ मटेरियल्स फुल्ली.
Where is the
मोस्ट.
industry left, sir? 26% of the industry has been taken up by Surat itself. It's gone. I mean, let me tell you this. Bangladesh had an ambassador called Peter Haas, right? Peter Haas comes from the family of Levi's. Levi's shifted his business into India before the regime change happened. He knew what is going to happen in Bangladesh. He knew himself कि यार this country will not be able to produce my garments anymore. उसको पहले ही पता था, तो पहले ही शिफ्ट करके बैठा हुआ था. तो ये तो हालत ही, मतलब अब देखिए ऐसा है, वन ऑफ द थिंग्स दैट पीपल नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि यार यू कैन बी प्राउड ऑफ अ नेशन. देयर इज नथिंग रॉन्ग इन बीइंग प्राउड ऑफ योर नेशन, प्लीज, बट बी रियलिस्टिक. इंडिया इज नॉट एन ओवरपावरिंग कंट्री कि भाई हम आपको डंडा मार के बोल रहे हैं कि आपको यही करना है. वी हैव नॉट डन दैट टू एनी नेबर टिल नाउ. Trust you me, if you would have done that, we wouldn't have been sitting in the position that we are sitting in. We've not done it to anybody. We've not sanctioned anybody. You see the country in Maldives, you know, He came around, he abused our prime minister, he did this, he did that, he did all sorts of things. People of India went after him. The government never said anything. People said, we don't want to go to your country at all. We will not go vacation to your country. His numbers dropped. When the numbers dropped, he said, sir, sorry, गलती होगी, गलती होगी, गलती होगी. This
आपको
was
याद
the
है
people of the...
आदि भाई, आपने मेहरबानी करके मुझे आपने आपके शो में बुलाए थे जिस वक्त वो नारा लगा रहे थे इंडिया आउट इंडिया आउट, मैंने क्या कहा था कि ये मजदूर आके पैर पकड़ेगा भारत के, अभी पकड़ा.
So, see, we don't have anything against anybody, sir. हमारा कुछ नहीं है ऐसा. And these are, you know, the size-wise, India is too big. Maldives is such a small country. We don't want to do anything. And Maldives, again, you know, 1989 में जब वहां पर coup हो रहा था, it was our troops who went and cleared that entire place.
Yes. Mamun Abdul
And
Qayyum.
we went in 16
Mamun
hours,
Abdul
we cleaned the coup, we gave it back to the government. ये लो भाई, तुम्हारा देश है, अपने
Yes.
आप चलाओ, जो करो, हम चले यहाँ से.
Indian
We are
Navy
going.
saved the Mamun Abdul Qayyum. I know, I remember,
Six-
I have seen that.
I mean, today as we are recording this is 15th of December. 16th of December, Pakistani surrendered in Bangladesh. We lost more than 3,000 of our soldiers in liberating this country. We don't have
3,000.
anything against.
3,785 heroes,
Yeah.
Indian heroes.
So we lost so many soldiers. Those families are still without fathers, without sons, without brothers, without sisters, without husbands. But nobody acknowledges that today. Everybody thinks, oh, no, nothing of the sort, and he wants to wipe off that part of history.
अभी
तो
आदि
ठीक है
भाई,
भाई,
आप तो
देखो सर,
dangerous
ऐसा है,
हैं. आप तो dangerous हैं. आप तो dangerous है. इसके लिए एक सवाल है कि अरब स्प्रिंग के बाद जो मोहम्मद मुर्सी आया था इजिप्ट में, उसने ऐसे ही लफड़े की जैसा यूनुस कर रहा है. सेम. He was with the Muslim Brotherhood, and Yunus is with Pakistani ISI and Al Qaeda. Same. So उसका नतीजा क्या हुआ मुर्सी का, हमें याद है, आपको भी याद है. Since you are a very dangerous person, कह दीजिए कि यूनुस का नतीजा क्या है.
देखो सर, यूनुस का भी मैं आई एम सेइंग इट वेरी क्लियरली, आई डोंट थिंक ही विल लास्ट. इसके अंदर दम नहीं है. एंड एज अ मैटर ऑफ फैक्ट देयर आई कैन सी द ऑपोजिशन स्टैंडिंग अप टू हिम एज वेल. आपके जितने भी ये स्टूडेंट ग्रुप्स थे, इनके अभी तो ऑनलाइन, पहले तो छुपे छुपे बात करते थे, नाउ दे आर स्टार्टिंग टू टॉक ऑनलाइन इटसेल्फ कि यार व्हाट हैव वी डन. एंड वट एवर इन्फॉर्मेशन आई गेट, एंड आई हैव सेड दिस, मैं बहुत टाइम से बोल रहा हूँ, मेरे पास इन्फॉर्मेशन आती है नॉट जस्ट फ्रॉम द हिंदूज इन बांग्लादेश. I get the amount of information I get from the Muslims in Bangladesh is not even funny. There are people who are calling me up and saying, "Sir, what have we done? ये क्या किया हमने अपने देश के साथ?" Sir, we are not against you. I have emails, I have phone messages, I have Twitter DMs, I have so much of information people give me. I can't even cover it. And if anybody thinks only Hindus are providing me with this information, let me tell you, I'm in touch with barely any Hindus in Bangladesh. Most of the people that I'm in touch with are Muslims. And they are saying, ki, Saab, what have we done? On the name of religion, this country was not made. What have we done here? Now these guys are running rampant on the streets, breaking temples, breaking this, breaking that. What are we supposed to do? Well, I have no answers for them. All I say is, bhai, your country, now you've got into this mess. The only people that can take you out of this mess is you. So if you don't like it, well, you need to do something about it. I can't tell you what it is. मैं थोड़ी बता सकता.
आदि भाई, एक प्रॉब्लम तो है ना कि बांग्लादेश में ये जो हम कहते हैं स्ट्रैंडेड पाकिस्तानी, इसका नंबर है नहीं. स्ट्रैंडेड पाकिस्तानी तो कम्युनिटी है.
नहीं सर, वो तो है. देखिए, आप जो भी कह लो,
5 लाख. सो अभी ये 5 लाख को अगर पाकिस्तान ने ISI काम में लगाएगा टेररिज्म करने के लिए, तो हमारा तो हालत ही बुरा हो जाएगा भाई.
देखो सर, ऐसा है, ये टेररिज्म के लिए भी ना लेग्स चाहिए होती हैं. मैं आपको क्लियरली बताता हूँ, दो चार चीजें होती हैं टेररिज्म को सस्टेन करने के लिए. वन, यू नीड अ रेगुलर सप्लाई चेन. नाउ बांग्लादेश का ज्योग्राफिकल लोकेशन डज नॉट सपोर्ट इट गेटिंग अ रेगुलर सप्लाई चेन. कितना टाइम तक अपने पोर्ट्स आप खुले रखेंगे? इफ इंडिया फाइंड्स टेररिज्म हैपनिंग, हाउ डिफिकल्ट इज इट फॉर अस टू ब्लॉक द पोर्ट्स? आई मीन, कितना टाइम लगेगा उसके लिए? सी, दीज आर थिंग्स दैट द कंट्री नीड्स टू थिंक इटसेल्फ कि भाई, इज दिस सस्टेनेबल? We want to trouble India. Okay, fine. You want to trouble India, no problem. But how long will you be able to do it? And tomorrow, never forget, I'm not saying because I'm an Indian, sir. I mean, let's say today, if I want to start troubling China, as an Indian, we decide, कि भाई, let's start troubling China. We also need to think what China can do back to us. ना, हमको क्या करेगा वो वापस? ये भी तो सोचना पड़ता है ना कि ये this is a typical Pakistani mindset कि हम एक स्टेप ले लेंगे, उसके बाद the other country will not do anything. And this is what exactly the Pakistanis have done in history. They have come out and said ki, oh, 1965 we will take Kashmir. What did they do? Nothing. 1971 we will do this. They got their pants, their trousers are still sitting in our country now. 1948 they came inside, they couldn't do anything. 1999 they did what they tried to do, they couldn't do anything. They've been trying to finger around and create chaos in Kashmir. What has happened? Sir, I just came back from Kashmir. It's peaceful. People are on the streets, normal. And trust you me, in the next 5-10 years, people will be spitting on these people. Because the reality is coming down. लोगों को समझ में आ रहा है कि यार ये जो बेवकूफी ये लोग कर रहे हैं ये चलेगा नहीं. और देखिए सर, दूसरा चीज होता है, टेररिज्म को सस्टेन करने के लिए चाहिए होती है आपके पास डेमोग्राफिक पॉपुलेशन. That is very critical. How many mothers in Bangladesh will be ready to give their sons to terrorism today? Because there is no return. A terrorist life is 6 months tops. क्या बांग्लादेश की माएं अपने बच्चों को 6 महीने के लिए will they sacrifice them for 6 months life? कि भाई जा 6 महीने के बाद मर जाना. कितनी, how many mothers will agree to this? See, I know Bengali society, sir. I mean, there is a West Bengal in our country as well. Bengali society is a very, very close-knit, family-driven society. They are very close to family. अब वही फैमिली को तोड़ ताड़ के ये चीजें करोगे तो कितना टाइम सस्टेन करोगे? और दूसरा ऐसा है सर कि आई मीन दी अदर कंट्री विल आल्सो रिएक्ट ना. जब वो रिएक्ट करेगा फिर गड़बड़ होगी, फिर रोएंगे लोग कि नहीं नहीं ये तो भारत देखो इतना बड़ा देश है, हमको तंग कर रहा है. अब देखो सर, आप इतना इन लोगों ने करा, टेम्पल्स तोड़े, ये करा, वो करा. What did they get out of it? I want to ask them one thing very, very simple. What did you get? क्या मिला आपको? Apart from sadistic satisfaction, what did you get by breaking all the temples, killing all the Hindus?
No,
What have you got?
एक चीज
You
मिला.
got
नहीं, एक चीज मिला आदि भाई, एज ए बांग्लादेशी नावरटेड के बांग्लादेश में आज तक कभी लोगों को एक बार एक वक्त की खाना जुगाड़ करने में इतनी तकलीफ नहीं हुआ. अभी ये हो रहा है, ये मिला. नंबर 1
होगा सर.
Number 1. Number 2, I am very happy that my children are grown up and they are not in Bangladesh, they are studying abroad. Believe me, जितने फैमिलीज है जिसके बच्चे स्कूल कॉलेज में पढ़ते हैं उनके तो कम से कम 3 साल खत्म हो गए, बर्बाद हो गया. ये भी एक चीज मिला. नहीं, इट इज अचीवमेंट. आई एम टेलिंग, खाना की दाम बढ़ गई, अचीवमेंट. 3 साल के लिए बच्चों की पढ़ाई बर्बाद, अचीवमेंट. अभी जो
गारमेंट इंडस्ट्री सर सबसे बड़ी जो
आई एम कमिंग टू दैट पॉइंट. देन मिडिल क्लास जो है हमारे तरफ इलाज कराने के लिए या कोई लेबोरेटरी टेस्ट, चलो कलकत्ता चले जाते या चेन्नई चले जाते. अभी वक्त बंद. और वो कोई फालतू है, एक मैं नाम भी नहीं लूंगा, कहता तो पाकिस्तान जाओ, पाकिस्तानी खुद आते हैं भारत में ट्रीटमेंट के लिए. अभी तो दरवाजा 2 खुले हैं, चलो सिंगापुर या थाईलैंड, नहीं तो अमेरिका. ये भी एक अचीवमेंट है. 4 नंबर अचीवमेंट है, हमने हमारा ये गण भवन तोड़ दी, ये तोड़ दी, वो तोड़ दी, सब बर्बाद कर दी. एट द एंड ऑफ द डे दिस थिंग डू नॉट बिलोंग टू शेख हसीना, इट इज नेशनल प्रॉपर्टी.
So apart that, sir, these things were generating revenue for you.
आपके घर में आग लगा के, आपके घर में खुद ही आग लगा के आप छत पे उठ के नाच रहे हो. That much we have got. And as a journalist, I would like to say कि मेरी शर्म नहीं आ रही कहने में कि अभी वक्त आ गया, बहुत जल्दी आ गया, मैक्सिमम 1 मंथ, कि जितने लोग नाचे सड़कों में वो आपके बॉर्डर में जाएगा फायर पकड़ने के लिए. बांग्लादेशी
सर यहाँ पर कोई अलाउड नहीं होगा. यहाँ पर मैं बता रहा हूँ,
बॉर्डर में जाएगा, क्रॉस नहीं करेगा, फायर पकड़ने.
नहीं, मैं आपको बताता हूँ. देखिए सर, ऐसा होता है, अ कंट्री विल रन ऑन पब्लिक सेंटिमेंट.
ऑफ कोर्स
आज इंडिया के अंदर, एज अ मैटर ऑफ फैक्ट, लेट मी से दिस वेरी कैटेगोरिकली, कल परसों में जयशंकर जी हैज मेड अ स्टेटमेंट इन द पार्लियामेंट अबाउट बांग्लादेशी हिंदूज.
वेरी स्ट्रांग.
ठीक है जी. नाउ लेट मी टेल यू हु आस्क्ड दिस क्वेश्चन. पीपल डोंट रियलाइज दिस. That question was asked by Asaduddin Owaisi from a party called AIMIM, which is basically a Muslim party. He is asking this question कि यार क्या हो रहा है भाई यहाँ पर. Mamata Banerjee, who was so dead against the central government, is today folding her hands and saying, sir, whatever the central government is doing, I will cooperate with them. That's not a problem. And with that one minister who said, we will take Bihar, we will take this, we will take that, she came out and said, what are we eating, lollipops? Sir, see, these are things that must understand, somewhere down the line, these things will impact relations. एंड जब एक कंट्री का ट्रस्ट टूट जाता है दूसरी कंट्री के साथ, उसको बिल्ड करने में बहुत टाइम लगता है. टुडे इन इंडिया पीपल आर कॉलिंग बांग्लादेश छोटा पाकिस्तान. आई मीन, आई डोंट लाइक इट. मेरे को भी देखिए, मैं काफी मजाक बनाता हूँ इधर उधर एंड आई कीप सेइंग ऑल सॉर्ट्स ऑफ थिंग्स, बट I personally I don't have anything this thing, but if that is the case, ठीक है, if that is the way that the country wants to deal with us, then we will deal with the country in the same way.
Of course.
यहाँ पर एक लाइन बनाना पड़ेगा बांग्लादेश को. They will have to sit down and discuss कि भाई, okay, here is a big country, we can't be antagonistic with it, we take all our saman from it, our people go there to get their visas. Today there Mr. Yunus is crying around, वो EU के बात कर रहा है, अमेरिका से बात कर रहा है, यार अपना एम्बेसी यहाँ पर खोल दो भाई. India is not letting our people inside to take visas. तो कितना टाइम people will last out? 1 साल ठीक है, चुप रहेंगे. After that what? The students that need to go out to do studies. Now I know one thing, sir, even in India, all education sectors are not available. Not all courses are available.
No, not at all. All the faculties are not available.
It's not there. It's not there. So in Bangladesh, obviously they are not there.
Of course,
so if the people need to go out and study, how will they do it?
I know that यूनुस ने जो बुलाया था यूरोपियन यूनियन को, उसने पहले ऐलान कर दी कि 28 एम्बेसडर आने वाले हैं. आया तो 18, उसमें भी 11 फर्स्ट सेक्रेटरी, सेकंड सेक्रेटरी.
European Union has given a statement that Mr. Yunus, please control what is happening to your minorities. This is a statement, official statement from the European Parliament which has come.
Yes.
Biden साहब की तरफ से भी स्टेटमेंट आ गया, we are very concerned about the minorities.
You are responsible for it. नहीं भाई, ये बाइडेन साहब की तरफ से जो आया, इसके लिए आप ही रिस्पॉन्सिबल.
अरे नहीं सर,
नहीं, आप
बट देखिए, मैं आपको सीरियसली बताऊं, if the world needs to be given a choice between India and Bangladesh, where do you think the world will go? Why? This is a huge strategic power. We are a 4.12 trillion dollar economy. We are growing the fastest in the world today. Our military is the 4th largest in the world. Our GDP is growing faster than anybody else. Our population demographic is with us. Research and development is one of the highest in the world today. I mean, our जो parameters होते हैं एक देश को जज करने के लिए, we are right at the front of everybody. Who will they choose? थोड़ा टाइम ठीक है, America is being a little this thing, oh no, India is being too harsh, and there are these few tattoos, John Danielowitz and that buddy David Beggarman who keeps begging for this thing, that Grossman and this guy, that guy. These guys will keep supporting, but people don't realize these guys are supporting Bangladesh's current scenario because what? They're getting money for it. And probably that money is being paid through your coffers in your country. जो आपका 20-22-25 बिलियन डॉलर का जो भी आपका फॉरेक्स रिजर्व है, उसके अंदर से पैसे दे रहे हैं लोगों को. कितना टाइम पैसे देंगे सर? टुडे इंडिया हैज अ फॉरेक्स रिजर्व्स ऑफ $700 billion. That's huge. I mean, even I get worried when 700 billion, that's a lot of money. Now see, you don't, like, it's like India saying, oh, I will go to war with America. Oh, bhai, that's the largest military in the world. I am very, very clearly saying that I'm very proud of my country, but I am not going to take a panga with the largest military in the world. It's stupid. I mean, I don't want to do that. I know I will face grave damage if I do that. The Americans can, इस टाइम पे सर अमेरिका की नेवी के अंदर 4 गुना ज्यादा एयरक्राफ्ट हैं जो हमारी पूरी एयरफोर्स में है. We know it. We know our realities. We know our limitations also. So there is a country which needs to understand its positives, its negatives, everything. Then take decisions as to where it wants to go, where it sees itself going into the future. यहाँ पर तो ऐसा दिखता है कि भाई जो प्रोपेगेंडा इतना फैला रखा है, and let me say this, I blame the Americans for this. This is not the people of Bangladesh. ये अमेरिकन्स ने ऐसा गोली पिलाया है लोगों को, ऐसा गोली पिलाया है कि the people in Bangladesh don't know the reality.
Also Pakistanis.
Also Pakistanis. When you look at the Daily Star, I read the Daily Star pretty much every day. Sir, आपके जो लोग वहां पर आर्टिकल्स लिखते हैं, they are writing the reality there. I wish the people of Bangladesh start reading their own newspaper. Read that newspaper. वहां people are saying, "Bhai, this is a matter of concern. What are we doing?" There are op-eds after op-eds coming out from Bangladesh itself saying, "Boss, hello, what have we done?" This is unsustainable. India is stealing all our garment sector, and why not, sir? India will steal. क्यों नहीं करेगा? It's a business opportunity for me. I will take it. 45-50 billion dollars का आपका export है garment का. All the raw material used to go from India itself. Now India, somebody will turn around and say, "Yaar, hello, if I need to give you the raw material and then you'll abuse me, forget it. I'll create a factory here. How much difference does it make?" Yogi Adityanath in UP has allotted 10,000 crores. That's $1 billion just to create the factories. Factories in Coimbatore and Tiruchirappalli in the south have taken all the orders. Surat has got 25% gain in the past 2 months. So, sir, there is no problem. I mean, for us, it's like, okay, fine, theek hai. If you want to ruin yourself, then who are we to stop anything? And the second most important point that people have to understand is that, we don't have any expansionist tendencies at all. India is one of the few countries who's saying, bhai, we are very happy with what we have. You look at the ancient maps of India, sir. Our map started from Iran right up till Southeast Asia. We are at no point of time saying we want all that back. We're not saying that. We are saying, theek hai yaar, we made our mistakes. We lost our territory. Today, where we are very happy with it, and we want to develop our country to make it developed. 2047 is our target for Viksit Bharat. We want to be a developed country. We want to build our own human resources. हमारे को अपना infrastructure बनाना है, अपना military बनाना है, अपने को आत्मनिर्भरता बनाना है. We have to do all this stuff. And on top of that, we are fighting the global deep state. I mean, we have our own battles to fight, and we are fighting the big game today. We are not fighting a regional game, sir. We don't even care for Pakistan. Nobody's spoken to Pakistan in the past 3 years.
That is
how much
you are a friend of Bangladesh at the end of the day. That's why I called you my.
I always say this. I've
I
always said this. I have never guessed Bangladesh.
I consider you as my brother always. I mean, when the Bangladesh relationship with Bharat was not like this. So, as a friend of Bangladesh people, because you are a friend, you are angry, saying the sufferings of Bangladeshi people. Actually, India is not going to suffer. Bangladesh is going to suffer. Bangladeshis are going to
Nothing will happen to us.
No, why? Nothing will happen. All these sufferings will be on this part of the world. So, for the younger generation, because you have also a huge number of followers on social media, आपके एक मैसेज चाहिए 3 मिनट में, your message that you want to tell, give to Bangladeshi younger generation, not the generations like the older, younger.
Sir, my only point will be, please read. Please read, educate yourself. Today, internet is there. Look at what's happening. Here is a country called India. 2020, the Chinese came and sat on our borders. We kept quiet and we kept patience. We built up ourselves to a point. In 2024, the Chinese said, thank you, sir, मैं जा रहा हूँ वापस. मैं नहीं रह सकता यहाँ पर. Thank you, मैं जा रहा हूँ. हो गया मेरा. Sir, हाथ मिला लो, please. Please, I want to be friends with you. He's still begging us today. And in spite of the factor that the military standoff is over, we have not removed any sanction from China today. His FDI is not allowed in this country. His equipment is not allowed in this country. His factories are not allowed in this country. His technology is not allowed in this country. We are still saying no. Because, sir, India is a proud country. And that is what Bangladesh needs to learn. Be proud of your country. There is nothing wrong in that. But while being proud, you should also look at the drawbacks, the negatives in your country. Like, if you come to my channel, I criticize my government so many times. I say, okay, bhai, Mr. Modi, आपने ये गलती करा है, sir. Let's correct this. But any criticism that you give to Bangladesh, it is taken as, oh, you're anti-Bangladesh. We should be. I mean, I've got death threats. Okay, fair enough. Come. I have no problems. But so people need to educate themselves. Sir. People need to read. People need to get a sense of reality. Who did this to Bangladesh? Do people in Bangladesh realize that most of the protests were led by LGBTQ shock troops? Do people realize that the International Republican Institute, which by the way does not have anything to do with the Republican Party, जो ये पार्टी जो आपका प्रोपेगेंडा चलाते हैं अभी यूनुस साहब के ऑफिस में से, the Republican Party? No, the IRI today is a completely democratic held institution. They, along with Donald Lu, Peter Oz, and multiple other people, they used people within your country to create chaos. And there is nobody to tell. There were people that were given big fat amounts. There is one of the student leaders, I don't want to name. How does he have $32 million worth of Bitcoin in his account?
$32 million?
$32 million, sir, worth of Bitcoin in his account. How? And he's by the way in the government.
No.
How does he have that? Obviously, somebody was paid some money somewhere or the other. How did the students sustain themselves? Where did they get this much money? Do students' unions make that much money? Do the students' leader have? Sir, I have also been a student in my life. हमारे पास एक cigarette पीने के पैसे नहीं होते थे. We used to bloody share one cigarette. 2 drags to you, 2 drags you, 2 drags you, 2 drags you, 2 drags you. That's how we used to bloody smoke a cigarette in those days. And I'm not saying cigarette smoking is good, so please don't take it like that. But that was a halat. We didn't even have money to buy a bottle of Coke. We used to take 10 times to spend 10 rupees. I know what our halat. How did the students get so much money to sustain themselves? We need to ask these questions, and Bangladesh people need to ask these questions. Very good protest, fantastic. You threw out somebody you did not like. Fair enough. You didn't like Sheikh Hasina, throw her out. It's your country. Figure it out. The only reason India got Sheikh Hasina is because otherwise she would have been lynched. And we didn't want that. I have no love lost, and let me assure you, India also has no love lost for Sheikh Hasina. ऐसा नहीं है कि oh, she's India's best friend and she's this. Sorry. She's a human being, yeah. She was in crisis. We've just taken her here. That's it. It's the same way that out of whatever we were giving medical visas to people in Bangladesh. But if people in Bangladesh want to take the medical visa, come to our country and abuse us, then obviously we will not be giving visas anymore. So many people have been caught here in India and thrown back into Bangladesh. Why? Because they sit in my country, eat my food, drink my water, and abuse me on top of it. Which self-loving country will accept it? Do you think tomorrow I can come to Bangladesh and abuse Bangladesh? I will never do that. That is stupid.
So Adibhai, it was a stunning information from you that a student leader is having $32 million in Bitcoin in his account. And is talking to you is also always for me is educating myself, and you and I both we hope wish a very happy New Year to our dear ones in Bharat, in Bangladesh, and everywhere in the world. And also we do hope that the New Year brings good sense to the minds of the people here in Bangladesh, and we really, start realizing what plunder we have committed by listening to these American deep state, Pakistani ISI, and conspirators and enemies of the Bengali people. And with this, Adi bhai, आपको बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया और नए वर्ष के लिए बहुत बहुत बड़ी मुबारकबाद और मैं तो आऊंगा
Thank you,
जनवरी
sir. Wish you the same, and I hope Bangladesh understands that we are not against it. But yes, if this keeps happening, then India will become against it. And slow and steady, I am afraid, because of the way which is things are going, sir, it looks like India is now becoming more and more against it. I don't think anybody in India wanted that, but if that is the reality, what can we do?
Of course, because when you cross the line, red line. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आदि भाई.
Thank you, sir. Namaskar.
Happy New Year.
Same to you, sir.
In advance.